What about touch DNA, touching and opening it?
The amount of material you're going to get from handled objects is pretty low. If you do it multiple times, you'll get more.
Right.
But Liz's results were quite interesting when you compare them with what they found in this case.
We were curious to see what sort of results we might get from having this hood opened and the latch handled. So we had 3 volunteers, each do it 5 times. So we had 15 trials, and I sampled the latch each time. I only got a detectable signal from 4 of those 15, and those were very low quantities, like, much less than even, half a nanogram total.
Then they test that swab. We're going to be able, I think, to show that that's saliva on the hood latch.
Steven Avery case was very challenging for brain fingerprinting. If we had gotten there on day one, the perpetrator would have known everything about the crime. An innocent suspect would know nothing about the crime. And we'd have a wealth of evidence that we could test. Steven Avery has been through a long trial. He knows a tremendous amount about the crime from the trial. So we had to find information that was not presented at the trial.
I told Steven the CIA, the Navy, the FBI was using the very sophisticated test to detect if someone was telling the truth or not about being innocent, and would he do the test. I convinced Steven Avery that it was 100% reliable, and that if he flunked it, we would have a big problem. So he very enthusiastically agreed to subject himself to this testing. We used the blood spatter pattern, what it actually indicated, to test Steven Avery's knowledge about that cargo door being open and where Teresa Halbach was positioned at that point. We wanted to know, was he storing that information of hitting her, knocking her to the ground, and then repeatedly hitting her in the head? Because if he was, he'd be the killer, because that's how the blood ended up on the rear inside cargo door.
Where are you?
Is that the number?
Where are you?
No, you gotta tell me if this is the car.
Okay, stop. I can't tell you anything. Where are you?
I'm at Avery Salvage.
The car is when all the other agencies working on it shift their focus to Steven. All the other investigation just grinds to an immediate halt.